What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to review a couple of push notification ads on Anstrax. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so I am inside of Anstrax, and today we are going to spy on a couple of push notification ads. So that's the reason why we're inside of Anstrax Push, and I've selected the language English, as you can see right here. So simply go to the language tab and select English if you only want English results. And you can do that for any language, of course, or without, but then you'll get a lot of results in different languages, which, unfortunately, I'm not able to read all of them. So that's why I selected the English language filter. So we're just going to review a couple of ads here, see what's good about them, see what's not so good, where they could improve, and you can use these tips when you are creating your very own creatives for your own push campaign. So let's dive in. I'll try to mix in a couple of different verticals so that we have a little bit of everything. Okay, let's start, shall we? Okay, what do we have here? Terrible accident. Invest $250 and get $5,018 per week. Let's check it out. So the image, I quite like the image. That's this one. It's a real make money online image, right? We see a big mansion, a villa, and what seems like a rich business person. So yeah, it's a good image. I like the fact that the mansion is in there. Personally, I would use a younger person with a lot of money, a lot of cash. Show some bit of like you can become rich too. You can go from nothing to millionaire in just a couple of clicks, because that's the illusion that people want to get, right? They want to get rich quick, fast, and without any effort. And that's what you want to basically bring over to them. So this could be somebody who's been rich for his whole life. But however, if we look at, do we have a good example? Well, even this will work better, right? A girl with a Rolls Royce, a expensive car, that will work better than an old businessman. Or just grab somebody young with a lot of cash, for example. Usually those will have some better results than businessmen who already look like businessmen. There's another picture here, same, right? Same guy even, it seems like, and a Lamborghini right here. So there is some improve for the image, although it's okay. Terrible accident. I don't really get that headline. It's not really provoking any curiosity to me. Invest $250 and get $5,018 per week. Now that's pretty decent. That's what everybody wants. Let's take a look at their landing page real quick. Breaking Andrzej Kiska reveals a system so coronavirus does not affect the economy of Slovaks. Okay. Not really something where I would be like, ooh, I'm going to continue reading this if I would just read this. Slovaks must not be ruined by the coronavirus. They must generate income from their homes. Thanks to this system, it only takes 210 euros or 250 US dollars to start the system with guaranteed results. Now, that is a better headline slash description than the actual headline right here, because it says more about you making money with a low investment. So I like that better. The headline is weak. Let's go to something else. I'm just going to randomly scroll through and see where we land. All right. So I guess we'll land right here. Make money online. We had that already. Let's see. How to boost your immune system right now. Okay. So first of all, the icon is a WhatsApp logo. And that could work for some offers, but I would be using it more in a dating or adult vertical than necessarily in a health vertical, because it doesn't really add anything to the ad. So for the icon, I would use something else. For the health, I would probably make my own icon and make it look like a business or a blog that writes about health products and health, basically inventions and new discoveries, etc. The image is a stock picture, and stock pictures tend to work less good. So for the health vertical, I would do something like maybe food, maybe fruit, but I would go more exotic, more fruits where it's like, what the fuck is that? Because that creates curiosity. When the user thinks like, that can actually help my immune system, why? Why would something that looks so gross or so weird or whatever help my immune system? And that's exactly what you want them to ask, because then they'll get curious and click on it and go to your landing page. So the image is not that well. The headline, how to boost your immune system right now. I like the fact that they added right now, because that will create some sort of urgency. But overall, the headline doesn't create any curiosity. There's no description. Overall, I would give this ad probably a 3 out of 10. It is an ad running in Germany, which means that they should also probably translate this headline to German. Keep that in mind. Always do it in the native language of the country that you are going to run in. All right? Create more trust. Plus, there are also going to be people who do not speak or read English. So keep that in mind when you're running in a geo different than your own native language. How to boost your immune system right now. Same headline. I would always get some variety in there, personally. What to eat. Chill out. Get enough sleep. Wash your hands. Don't smoke. Drink responsibly. Exercise regularly. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Not that good of a landing page. Let's see, what else do we have? Let's see if we can find yet another vertical. So let's check it out. Make money, make money. A lot of make money offers right now, which is common in the last period of the year. So we see a lot of drop shipping in this period. We see a lot of dating in this period, and we see a lot of make money online. Focus is not so much on health these days. Keep that in mind. Health vertical will pick up back again in January, which is when everybody wants to lose weight and become healthy for the new year. What else do we have? We have nature-inspired jewelry. Free spins and big spins. Best casino welcome bonus available. Weak headline, right? You give it all right away. You say with your headline, you say free spins and big spins. Best casino welcome bonus available. You give everything away. There's no curiosity. I can tell exactly what the landing page has to offer me. Free spins, big spins, the best casino welcome bonus available. It's too much out there. You want to create the curiosity. Keep that in mind. You want to engage the user and tempt the user almost. The image is weak. So for a logo, this image is perfect, but I would not use the same image as the actual image as well. So as the logo, big spins is fine, but you want to use a different image. Weak ad there. Now, let's see, what else do we have? Once more, a lot of dating. So let's take a look at this. Tina Kiss online, St. Louis. Hey babe, are you alone? So what you want to do with these kind of dating verticals and adult verticals is you want to make it personal. So you want to make it personal and informal. So you want to make it look like this girl in this example actually wrote this message down to specifically reach that user. Of course, this isn't true. We just make a couple of creatives and we don't know where they end up. But that's the feeling that the user wants to get. They want to feel like Taina Kiss is actually sending them a message, right? So that's what's pretty good about this one. Now the logo, however, you can see it is cropped really weird because the dimensions are off. When we enlarge it, it's all fine. But like this, it looks a little bit weird. So keep that in mind. Personally, I like to use different images for the actual image and the logo. But that's fine. What else do we have? Let's see. This is more what I meant when I said like you don't want to use a already rich person for your make money online. This is just well, it looks just like a nobody. Maybe he's not, but we get the feeling like this is somebody who just grew up to be one of our neighbors and didn't have a lot of money, but then found a way with low investments to make a lot of money, which is he's holding in his hands. And that's the feeling that the user wants to get as well. They don't want to feel the pain of having to invest a lot, but they still want to receive a shit ton. Now, this is very hard to do. We know that as affiliate marketers. It takes money. Cash flow is king. It takes money to make money. But that's the feeling the user wants to get. And this picture represents that more than if you put an old white guy in a suit on a make money online offer, because then it would feel like, well, he's got the money to invest to become rich and I don't have any money to invest, so now I can't get rich. With this picture, we feel like, oh my God, he got rich. So I think I can get rich on the internet as well without any investments, right? What does the headline say? Singapore financial elites. Students earn $1,000 plus every day. All right, so that's a lot better than the other approach on the make money online. Should we do one more? If we can find one, we'll do another vertical. Now this is something that I mean with create curiosity for the health offer, right? So if you say like eating this every day will help you lose weight, then as user, the first thing that I would think of is like, what the fuck is that? And how the fuck is it gonna help me lose weight? Which is exactly what you want the user to think. Now, I cannot read Korean, so I don't know what the headline says, but the description says limited time exclusive offer, create urgency, create the feeling for the user that they miss out if they don't react now. That's exactly what you want to do. So yeah, let's keep it there. That's going to be it for this video, but as usual, there is more to come. So stay tuned and peace out.